Moving on, the next topic is TimeKeeper, and Alex Bisnet will be the presenter. He's a programmer analyst. He's been with Davey Resource Group since 2016, but he's the product lead for the development of this technology.
Okay, so TimeKeeper, what is it? TimeKeeper is a fully custom web application that we've been building for the purpose of electronically capturing timesheets, including per diems and equipment. The goals of the software are to be simple to use so that employees need little to no training in order to complete their timesheets accurately, and supervisors can view, edit, and approve those timesheets without working in a database or doing manual spreadsheet work. We also want it to be a consistent process for entering timesheets across teams and to be able to produce standardized reports for payroll. As well, we want to provide supervisors with powerful timesheet management tools. So how do we do it? We start with a point and click interface. You don't work in a spreadsheet or flip through pieces of paper. You click buttons and you only type when you have to. You create your own projects in TimeKeeper. You add activities, per diems, job classes, and any other pieces. Then you assign your team members to only the projects that they work on. When they're adding time to their timesheet, they first pick from the projects that they've been assigned to, and then they choose the values that you added to the projects when you created them. This makes adding time quick and ensures a certain level of quality to the data. When the timesheet is ready, it can be submitted and then approved by changing the status. The timesheet status controls what can be done to the timesheet. For example, approved timesheets can't be edited by the employee anymore. But part of making TimeKeeper easy to use involves making it easy to access, which is why we chose to make it a web application that can be accessed without being connected to the internal network or without being on a VPN. If you have internet access, you can access TimeKeeper. Additionally, we plan to expand our interface to make it fully mobile friendly so you can use any device. Those things together will mean that you will be able to, for example, fill out your timesheet from your smartphone while you're still on the job site. We don't want you to spend much time on TimeKeeper though, and part of reducing that is reducing the need for communication between employees and supervisors. Rather than tracking down each of your employees or waiting for each of them to let you know that your timesheets are ready. If you're looking at the timesheet page, as each employee submits their timesheet, the status will change and the color of the block for that timesheet will flip to show you that it is ready for review. So as soon as all of your blocks are yellow, you know that your timesheets are ready and you can proceed. And in the meantime, you can see which of your employees still need to submit their sheets. But we want you to be able to get data out of TimeKeeper too. So we provide a set of pre-built reports that you can run that produce PDF versions of timesheets, team summaries, per diem claims, equipment usage, and more. These are formatted to contain all of the information necessary to submit them to payroll directly. We also provide you with raw data reports that you can use to export timesheet data into a CSV file and then use that in whatever system you have for invoicing or billing or analysis. TimeKeeper also does some record keeping. So PDF versions of timesheets are automatically saved and then emailed to employees when the timesheet is submitted or approved. And the timesheets in TimeKeeper are always available for your review at a later time. We also want to make TimeKeeper a single access point for timesheet related actions. So we want to add features that allow you to request PTO straight from the site. And if that PTO is approved, have it automatically added to the timesheet. And then when that's done, we can forecast the team's future absences using that submitted PTO so that a supervisor can see that they have gaps in their workforce at a future date and have time to fill them before it becomes a problem. So we have a solid foundation for our application right now, but we have some really good features coming down the line too. We're going to expand the interface so that it's fully mobile friendly and you can use any device. We're adding crew sheets so that a foreman can build their entire team's timesheets all at once. We're pursuing automated payroll so that you wouldn't have to do anything after approving your timesheet. We're doing schedule change requests to facilitate California's alternative work schedules. We're using project reporting to allow project leaders to get information about their projects. And we want to expand our user base. We currently have about 100 users that have been helping us to test the system, but we want to expand that to about 1,150 users by the end of the year. So look for TimeKeeper to come your way soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Alex.